Alright, final day of July 31st, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 2105. Coming to you from Ladysmith with a video lined up for you. Northbound Woodtick of the L563 81 of the 31st is here. Let's check him out as it gets ready to do work at Ladysmith Yard. As we lean back and get him. 5414 to lead it. Unless... Whoa, distinctive horns. Applying hard now. The last northbound Woodtick of 563. The RDX is 21894. And the train device is going. That'll do it for the northbound Woodtick of the L563. As it will begin work at Ladysmith Yard. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and I'm hoping to see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.